Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My today's makeup video shows how to apply a highlighter and a blush. But before we begin, do hit the subscribe button on my channel for more makeup videos. So yeah, now let's begin. So first identify exactly where you need to highlight. It typically goes along the cheekbones right up towards the temples. Now there are two methods of application, either use your fingers or use a flat fan brush. I'm going to show you powdered and liquid highlighters both, so let's start with the powdered one. So all I do is dip my fan brush into the highlighter and pick up some product. I then sweep the brush along the area we marked earlier. It's a fun process once you get the hang of it. Highlighters reflect under light, so if possible, apply them under some light so that you know exactly how much they are reflecting. Now this was like a basic highlight, but if you want to amp it up further and flaunt like blinding highlights, then do not hesitate to dip your brush once again into your pan and apply some more product for a more vivid and a dazzling look. I tend to get a little carried away for myself, but once you see that flash of light on your cheekbones, it's a good time to stop. Now just in case you don't have a brush, just dab the product with your fingers along your cheekbones. We will now move to a liquid highlighter. Liquid highlighters are good for dry skin. Just take a few drops and apply them along your cheekbones the way we did with the brush before. You can even blend it out further with a beauty blender or a makeup sponge. I generally like to highlight the areas on which light falls on my face, so apply a tad bit of highlighter on my forehead, on the tip of my nose and a little bit on the cupid's bow. If you're having fun and want to touch up, go ahead. And yes, this is something I forgot, you can also apply some highlighter on the arch of your eyebrows. Now let's move on to the blush. So while it's okay to go a little excess with a highlighter, with the blush one needs to be careful. So dust off the excess or else you could make a blunder. Identify the apples of your cheeks and just dive in with your brush. Apply as gently as possible in circular motions. Just in case you feel an excess of highlighter or blush on your face, don't worry, just take some of your compact or loose powder and soften everything out. I hope this video helps in applying a highlighter and a blush. Remember to like the video if you find it useful and subscribe to my channel for more makeup videos and updates. Thanks a lot for watching and yeah, see you soon.